Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to CodeWithBK. So in this video, we write solution to LeetCode problem number 19, remove nth node from end of list. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, and if any of my previous videos has helped you out or if this video helps you out, so please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we have covered linked list in C programming in very detail from very scratch on what are nodes, how do we create a linked list. Linked list is basically nodes connected together, linked together using the next pointer. And then we saw operations on linked list, how do we insert, remove, all right, how do we print the linked list. So now we try to solve LeetCode questions, and this remove nth node from end of list is one of them. Okay, so we solve this question in two ways, so basically three ways. In this video we cover two ways. The third way is the recursion, which we do in a separate video. Okay, so in the two ways that we cover, first one is going to be very basic, very straightforward, two passes and we solve this problem. Second method is going to be answering this follow-up, could you do it in one single pass. Okay, so the first method will take couple of passes, the second method will take one single pass. Okay, so you're given the head of the linked list, you have to remove the nth node from the end and return its head. Okay, so if I know my length of the linked list, okay, first find the length of the linked list, say this is L. Okay, so nth node from behind is going to be L minus n plus 1th node from front. Okay, and that is the node that we have to remove. So if I say int L equal to 0, I'll say I need to complete this method. Okay, so I'll take a current pointer that starts at head, take a current pointer that starts at head. Okay, as long as current is not equal to null, I increment by length by 1 and I say current equal to current.next. Okay, so by the time this loop is over, L stores length of the linked list. Okay, so nth node from rear is L minus n plus 1th node from the front. Okay, so if I store the value L minus n plus 1 in my index, I have to remove the node at this particular index, and indexing is from 1. So you see n is between 1 to size, the indexing is from 1. Usually we have indexing 0 as well. Okay, alright, so remove the node indexed node. Okay, so I'll start with I equal to 1. Okay, and I can take the case for index equal to 1 separately, that if I have to remove the head node. In order to remove the head node, I simply say head equal to head dot next. Okay, right, and do nothing else. And in the else part, okay, else if the node to be removed is not the head node. Okay, so I start with my I equal to 1. I have my current starting at head dot next. Okay, let's start with the second node because we are already taking care of index equal to 1. Now this is a problem that says you have to remove the node at this particular index, which I have already covered in detail. Okay, all you have to do is traverse the linked list from left to right. The moment the this index value matches the current index that I am at, which is represented by the current node, we remove that current node. Okay, and I also take a previous pointer that is right behind current. Okay, so it starts at head. Okay, so I start with my second node because my case for index equal to 1, first node is already covered. My I is 2 representing the current node that I am at, and so current pointing to the second node, and I have previous at the first node right behind current. Okay, so while current, as long as current is not null, I will say if I am at the index that I want to remove. Okay, I have to remove this node current now. I will say previous next is now current's next. Okay, and I simply return. Okay. Else I move my pointers forward. Previous is current, current is current dot next, and I plus plus, and eventually return header. Okay, so your control should not be coming here. Okay, because the node to be removed should happen here or should happen. Okay, so when we say previous dot next equal to current dot next, so previous is right behind current. Previous next was pointing to current, and now it points to current's next. Okay, so we leave out current. And we don't need to free memory, I guess. It is going to work this way, right? Okay, so this is my code. Let me just copy and check if this works. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, let me just run this. Okay, tests are okay. Let me submit. Okay, all right, beats 100%, 0 milliseconds, all tests, 200 test cases pass. Okay, let's go back. In this case, what we are doing is we are using no extra space, so O1 space. Okay, and the time is ON time. Okay, we are iterating the linked list once and then again, once to find the length of the linked list and then again to find which node is to be removed. Okay, so this is one way to solve this. The second way is that we have to make only one single pass on the linked list. How do we do that? We use two pointer approach. Let me just comment all this out. So this is method 1, O1 space ON time. Okay, and more than one pass. Okay, I'm gonna comment all this. Okay, and now let's just go to method 2. Method 2, again will you have O1 space and ON time and using one single pass. Okay, so idea in this case is we cannot calculate the length beforehand. In the previous case, in the first case, we were calculating the length and then we were finding the node from the front, the index node from the front that we have to remove. Okay, in this case, we take two pointers. I say I have a pointer A starting at head. Okay, and I have a pointer B also starting at head. Okay, I will make B move forward so that it comes at the nth node from the front. Okay, make B go forward to nth node from front. Okay, so I can say int I equal to 1 while I less than n. Okay, I plus plus B equal to B dot next. Okay, all right. So after this while loop, A is at head. Okay, index equal to 1 and B is at node where index equal to n. Okay, now think of the gap between A and B that we will keep constant and keep moving forward till we reach at the end. Okay, so now the idea is keep both the pointers moving forward one node at a time till B reaches at the end. Now when B reaches at the end node, we will be at the nth node from the rear. Okay, move A and B forward one node at a time, and when B is at the last node, okay, A will be at the nth node from there. Okay, so I'll say while B is next, I have to go at the last node. Okay, so not saying B not equal to null, while B is next is not equal to null, I move both A and B forward, B equal to B dot next and A also equal to A dot next. Okay, so now here A is at the node to be removed, which is nth node from the rear, and B went to the last node. Okay, because the original problem statement was that you have to remove the nth node from the behind. Okay, so if you consider the distance between the last node and the nth node is B, the same distance is going to be between A and B when B starts at the nth node from the front. Okay, so we keep moving forward, and when B is at the last node, A is at the node that we want to remove. Okay, since we want to remove node A, we also need a previous pointer. So I'll say previous is null because it is going to be previous tails node A. It is going to be right behind A. A is at head. Okay, A is at head right now, so previous will be at null. So before I move A forward, I say previous is A. Okay, so previous is at the node right behind A. Then you do previous dot next is A dot next, just as we did here to remove the current node. Okay, and here we have to remove the node where A is. Okay, but there is also a possibility of previous being null, right? That is the case where n is equal to the size of the list, length of the list. In that case, n is going to be 1, I less than n is going to be false, both a and b will be at the head, and previous is going to be null. So previous is going to be null indicates if the head node is to be removed. Okay, so I say head equal to head dot next. Okay, if previous is null, else I say previous next is next. Okay, and then I return head. Okay, so if head node is to be removed, we do head equal to head dot next, which we did here. Okay, else we do this. Okay, so this is our solution now. Okay, so let me just copy this, go back to testing this. Where is that reset? Yep, I want to reset. Go to my description again. Paste, put myself back. Time to test. Test is okay. Time to submit. Okay, submission is okay as well. All right, and in this case too, okay, we are doing one on time but one single pass, and on space constant space because we are not using any extra space. The amount of space that we use does not change based upon the size of the linked list. Okay, right? And one single pass because b moved to the nth node, a stays at the head, and then a and b move forward till b went to the last. Okay, so our method 2 uses one single pass. Method 1 had to use uh, two passes. Okay, one to find length and then remove the index node. Okay, in this case, in the second case, we are not finding the length. The third method is recursion and on time, which we discuss in a separate video. Okay, so I hope you liked this video and this was helpful. If there is any doubt, there's a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments. And you can also let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you.